The Morgan has had ongoing in-house conservation for both books and works of art on paper since at least the 1950s. The Thaw Conservation Center, completed in 2002, brought all of our conservators together into one space and significantly upgraded our space, our equipment, and our capabilities for what we're able to do as conservators.
Morgan envisioned his founding collection to be a repository of the greatest thinkers, writers, and creators in the Western tradition, and this would be a place where their works, their ideas, their thoughts would be safeguarded, preserved, and made available to scholars.
In the Thaw Center, we do a lot of work consolidating, flaking paints and friable pigments, filling a loss, mending tears, using various chemical methods of stain reduction, and structural repairs on rare book bindings. What's unique within our department is the specialized skill and training that conservators have to actually do these very specialized treatments on individual works of art or books or manuscripts in the collection. So all of our treatments are very carefully considered, not only to achieve the desired visual effect or improvement of overall condition, but also to make sure that the treatments themselves will age well and not cause further damage to the original artifact over time. We work with almost every other department in the building to help create guidelines for safe storage, display, handling, and photography of all of our collections. The body of knowledge is always evolving. There are always new approaches and things you haven't discovered yet.